lot of people have been wondering, how can I upload Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels from my PC or my Mac? And in this video, I'm going to show you a workaround that I have found for how to do that. And so what you're going to need is a piece of software called a mobile phone emulator. And BlueStacks is one of the most popular and widely used ones available right now. And so what we're going to do is download this piece of software. And while it's downloading, let me just tell you that a mobile phone emulator is basically a piece of software that is going to emulate a mobile phone on your laptop. And the reason this is important is because Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, these are mobile first features, and Facebook is really trying to get people to focus on creating content from their mobile phones, whereas on TikTok you can actually upload TikToks from your desktop very easily. And so right now we are installing BlueStack, verifying BlueStack's installer.app. Press install now, enter my password. So the process for installing BlueStacks takes a little bit of time, but once you click the install button, it should normally take it from there and automatically go through the necessary steps it needs to. And so all you will need to do is follow the setup wizard step by step and just pay attention to your screen, and it should be easily installed like any other piece of software. Alright, and so we have BlueStack fully installed and it's launched. We're gonna click let's go. Gonna sign in with the Google account. Alright, and so let me install the mobile app. So we're gonna open the app. So as you can see that I have the reel option here, and when I press that, it's going to ask for access to my camera and other features, or I can press this to allow access to photos, media, and files on your device. So no videos on this device. If there were videos that it was connected to, then I will be able to upload those videos right there. So if you need to add photos to BlueStacks 4, then what you're going to do is come down to the bottom where it says more apps. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on the Android settings. Then you want to come here to where it says import Windows files and click on that. And then you're going to select the files from your PC or your Mac. Once you've selected the files, you're going to come back down to the bottom and click open. Now it's going to start uploading those files or giving access to BlueStacks for those files. You come back to the mobile app that you're using, whether it's Facebook or whether it's Instagram, and you're gonna see that BlueStacks now has access to those files when you get ready to post on that social media account. And it's just that simple. Now, again, before I close this video out, you can use BlueStacks to post on Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels. this is a solution for any mobile app because again, it's a mobile emulator. So anything that you can do with a mobile phone, you can do on your laptop by using a mobile emulator, and you don't have to download all of these different extensions to Chrome and figure out all of these different pieces of software. This is a one size fits all.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. This will allow you to be notified whenever a new videos is uploaded.